If you've lost access to your Citizens Bank of Rogers account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Visit the Citizens Bank of Rogers website. Go to the official Citizens Bank of Rogers website. Look for the login section and click on the Forgot Password or Need Help link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Account Recovery Options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. After selecting your recovery option, you will need to verify your identity. If using email, check your inbox for a verification link or code sent by the bank. If answering security questions, provide the correct answers to proceed. Step 4. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to follow any specific guidelines provided by the bank. Step 5. Log in and update your information. After successfully resetting your password, log into your account. Once logged in, consider updating your account recovery information, including adding a new phone number or email address for future access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Citizens Bank of Rogers account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.